what is the purpose of human life? What is the cause of human suffering? Unfortunately, these questions often remain unanswered, but the answer lies in the eternal wisdom of our ancient scriptures.
There was a time in my life when I was completely lost and purposeless. Then, through the wisdom of the scriptures, I realized my own purpose. You know what? Often people share that they are unable to comprehend the wisdom of the scriptures and implement it in their own life. Inside the book, Discovering Your Life's Purpose, I have shared the step-by-step pathway to realize the purpose of life, to overcome the obstacles in the path towards your purpose, and lead a life of complete happiness, freedom, and fulfillment rooted in the wisdom of our ancient scriptures. Get ready to dive deeper in the journey of unlocking your true purpose and lead a life of happiness, freedom, fulfillment in this very lifetime through my latest book, Discovering Your Life's Purpose.